Hi everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with a new project to share with you, available as a PDF tutorial and a full craft kit. It is this cute little perpetual album decorated in papers from the Alice's Tea Party collection by Graphic 45, one 8x8 pad, and lots of other bits. So the kit has everything in it that you need to make this exact project, and the PDF tutorial contains all of the dimensions for your papers if you want to change out the pad and use a different collection. So let's have a look at it. It measures 7¼ by 5¼ and there are 14 surfaces inside this folding album, tied up with ribbons on both sides with my doodads. And when you open it, there are lots of interactive leaves or pages for you to add your photos. And I have added pictures into the book so that you can see what it looks like when it's decorated. So it opens up. We've got a nice deep pocket on the inside cover, perfect for large pictures, photo mats, maybe a journaling card, and a little interactive tuck spot at the bottom for maybe more pictures. I've just used one of our little tags decorated in the paper under this gorgeous picture. I love, love, love this paper collection. So pretty. And then the pocket closes with a magnetic closure. We've got a little detail from the collection there as well. And then on this page, we've got a lift up photo mat, and I'll move it down. On the other side, there is a little tuck spot for a small tag or one of our shape tags, again using one of the cards from the collection, and also a band for you to be able to tuck more under the inside of that page or lift up, and room on the main page area to put your pictures. You can stick them in or clip them in, however you like to add pictures to your projects. And then flipping over, we've got a nice deep project. Here I am saying hi. And again, I've used one of the coordinating pictures from the collection. I love these little cards. They're really versatile. We've got Alice there having a tea party. And this was a picture of me at a tea party back in 2012. And then I've just decorated it with a beautiful check paper on the back. But pockets are great, you can put loads in them. And then we've just got a solid page to put a picture on. But the lovely thing with this book is, because it ties with ribbons, you can add as many pages as you like. You just need to make sure your ribbons are long enough to tie it up when it's finished. So that means then that you can add more lift-ups, more pockets, however you want to alter the basic structure of the project to accommodate all of your pictures that you want to add in. So nice flat page there. And then we've got another pocket page with a T-bar pocket on the front, which is great, it stops things from falling out. And then the deep pocket to put your larger pictures in. And then this is the lift up but flipped over, so the band is on the front and a solid photo mat is on the back. I've just clipped a little picture of the teapot, the teacups on the front there. And then that lifts up and we've got pictures on the back and a picture here. So this is us 3 bridesmaids, me many years ago and my cousins. And that closes with a magnet. And then flipping over, another deep pocket that could have a lift up photo mat over the top. And then a flat section at the back, again, that could have a pocket or a lift up on. And then we get to the back, and if we undo the ribbons on the other side, we can fold it the other way. So it's a never-ending album that is just such a cute little book, all made from one 8x8 paper pad. So here we've got one of the lift outs, but it folds forwards or downwards. We've got the pocket on the back. Again, I've decorated our little tags and they just slide in. under the band. You could add anything, you could even put pictures on the band as well. And then nice flat area for your photos. Another little pocket. This time we've got a picture clipped on the front. Closes with a magnet. Another tea pocket. Whoops. Seems to have come unstuck. With large photo mats in, but again they could be any size. And I've just cut out, I think this is my favourite card, with the cards and the tree that they're painting. I can't remember which colourway they painted. They painted from white to red or red to white. White to red. He's got his paint pot. And then we've got a nice little pocket. Again, you can embellish as you go. And another lift up. This is just a double-sided photo mat that lifts up. I've got my lovely grumpy underneath, my sister on the top. And again, these are great just to clip your pictures onto. And then at the back, we have got another tea pocket and the deeper pocket for your larger pictures. So 14 surfaces in all, and then we're back to the front. All packed into this lovely perpetual album. And if you want to display everything in one go, it all folds out. So you can see a whole montage of your favourite pictures all at the same time. A lovely, lovely little album. Perfect if you're new to crafting. It's not overly complicated. The PDF is really comprehensive and contains assembly guide videos that take you through every step of the process from start to finish. So if you'd like more information about the PDF and the kit, follow the link in the description below the video. I hope this has inspired you to craft with this beautiful collection. I'll link to the paper collection that we've got on the website as well, down below. And if you've enjoyed the video, give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and then you'll be kept up to date with new products and projects as they come out. Happy crafting! Bye for now.